Welcome to Motivo Talks. Every day, I bring you powerful and inspiring life stories that might just change the way you see the world. If you enjoy these stories, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Now, let's get into today's story. Today, we're about to dive into the incredible life story of Queen Victoria, a young girl who, at just 18 years old, became queen of the largest empire the world had ever seen. From love to loss, heartbreak to resilience, Victoria's journey is filled with powerful lessons that will inspire you. This story is perfect for English learners, simple, yet filled with emotion and historical depth. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Lonely Girl Who Would Become Queen. On May 24th, 1819, a baby girl was born at Kensington Palace, London. Her name was Alexandrina Victoria, but she would later be known to the world as Queen Victoria. At the time, she was fifth in line to the throne, and no one could have guessed that this quiet little girl would grow up to rule the British Empire, which would span 1/4 of the world. Victoria's early life was far from the royal luxury most people imagine. Her mother, Princess Victoria of Saxe-Coburg, was extremely strict. Together with her advisor, Sir John Conroy, they created a rigid system, known as the Kensington System, to control every aspect of Victoria's life. She couldn't walk freely, choose her friends, or even play when she wanted. Her childhood was spent in isolation, with only her dogs and dolls for company. Despite this, Victoria's mind was always active. She loved reading, drawing, and learning about the world. In her quiet moments, she kept a secret diary, and she began to form a promise to herself that one day she would be a great queen. Even though she was confined, her spirit was strong and determined. At the age of 8, she saw her family tree and realized something shocking. She was going to be queen. That night, she wrote in her diary, "I will be good." It wasn't a childish dream. It was a vow to herself. She was preparing for the moment when the crown would be hers. Chapter 2. The Queen and the Love of Her Life. At 16, Victoria met a young man named Prince Albert. He was her cousin, but their connection went beyond family. Albert was kind, thoughtful, and intelligent, everything Victoria had been longing for. They shared laughter, conversations, and even played music together. Though they were separated soon after, Victoria knew in her heart that Albert was the man she would marry. As queen, Victoria was lonely, surrounded by men who only saw her as a figurehead. But her heart belonged to Albert. When he returned to England in 1839, Victoria, now 20 years old, was overjoyed. Their bond grew stronger, and on October 10th, 1839, Victoria proposed to Albert. For the first time in history, a queen proposed to a man. Albert accepted, and they were married on February 10th, 1840. The marriage was not just royal. It was based on real love. Albert became Victoria's closest advisor, her partner in both life and leadership. Together, they had 9 children and transformed the monarchy into a modern, loving family. Chapter 3. The Deepest Pain and the Queen's Strength. Victoria's happiness, however, was not to last forever. In 1861, Albert became seriously ill. He had worked tirelessly, often neglecting his health. His condition worsened, and despite Victoria's efforts to care for him, he passed away on December 14th, 1861. Victoria's grief was indescribable. For the rest of her life, she wore black and withdrew from public life. She no longer attended royal events or performed her royal duties. The empire's people asked, "Where's our queen?" As the years passed, many feared she would never return to the throne. But Victoria did return, not because the pain went away, but because she realized that her people still needed her. Over time, she resumed her duties, growing stronger and more resilient with each passing day. Chapter 4: The Grandmother of Europe. By the 1870s, Queen Victoria had become more than just a ruler of the United Kingdom. She was now the Empress of India, leading the largest empire the world had ever seen. She was also known as the Grandmother of Europe, as her children and grandchildren married into nearly every royal family across Europe. Despite the challenges, Victoria remained a symbol of endurance. Her reign saw incredible changes in technology, industry, and culture. She had outlived several prime ministers and even survived 2 world wars. Her empire was vast, and she had become a symbol of stability for her people. Chapter 5: Queen Victoria's Lasting Legacy. Victoria's legacy goes beyond her political reign. She showed the world that women could rule with strength, compassion, and love. She overcame unimaginable heartbreak, but still stood tall, leading the British Empire with grace. She is remembered not just for her political decisions, but for the personal qualities that made her a great leader: resilience, love, and loyalty. Even though her life was filled with personal struggles, Queen Victoria proved that a woman could endure great pain and still lead a nation with dignity. She became a symbol of leadership, a mother to her empire, and a woman who taught the world that greatness can be born out of tragedy. 5 powerful life lessons from Queen Victoria. 1. Your start doesn't define your future. Victoria's beginnings were humble and restrictive, but she rose to become one of the most powerful queens in history. No matter where you start, you can rise above and shape your future. 2. Pain is inevitable, but you must carry on. Queen Victoria faced immense pain, especially after losing Prince Albert. But she showed us that even in the darkest moments, you can still rise, lead, and fulfill your responsibilities. 3. Love makes you stronger. Victoria's love for Prince Albert was a source of strength. He wasn't just her husband, he was her equal partner in leadership. Love, when it's real, can empower you to achieve great things. 4. Strength doesn't always mean loudness. Victoria was not a loud queen. She led with quiet strength through her actions and decisions. Sometimes, the most powerful leaders are those who lead by example. 5. Your legacy can inspire generations. Queen Victoria's legacy endures even today. Her story is one of perseverance, love, and leadership. She proved that even a life marked by grief and loss can leave an everlasting impact on the world. Conclusion: Queen Victoria's unforgettable journey. Queen Victoria's life was more than just the story of a monarch. It was a journey of resilience, love, and leadership. She faced unimaginable loss, but never stopped leading. She showed the world that a woman could rule with strength, grace, and emotion. She became not just a queen, but an icon. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Queen Victoria's life. If this story moved you or helped you with your English, don't forget to subscribe. This is just one of many powerful stories that will help you learn English through real history and inspiring figures.